Mustang's clean, man. New York. Alright, man, we're starting off the video in this spot. Are we calling out those Camaros or what? We're calling out the Camaros?
First.
Alright, okay.
Look at this Mustang.
Oh, shit. Marcos number 2. That shit sounds nasty, bro. Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Got a paper plate. They just got it?
Yeah.
Popped in and brought it to a meet.
That's what you gotta do.
That's the only way to do it, man.
Yeah, right.
Once you get it back, once you get it back, yeah, they refund you the $250.
Alright.
What's going on, bro?
What's up, man? How you doing?
You remember me from the other night?
Hell yeah, bro. I'm trying to see what all this is going on right here.
That was him?
That bitch screaming. Sounds good as fuck, bro.
Hey, bro, I've been following you for a long time.
Hell yeah, bro.
Am I gonna be in the video?
Yeah, you're in the video right now.
Let's go, bro.
Let's go. Yeah.
Oh, so you were the one racing us?
Yeah.
Well, not racing.
Just like...
Cameras on. Let's just...
I might be in this. What's in there?
Damn, bro.
You don't know. I want to say the hell show.
That looks beautiful. I'm just gonna step away from that. 'Cause that's the kid I want. Paxton, bro. Tire burner. And he good with it. He be spinning that good.
He's good as drifting.
He's got a sting right now.
Best way to start 2018 by having a burger.
That's the Batmobile right there?
I thought more people were gonna show up, but it's all good.
I mean, it's the Monday after New Year's, so.
Yeah, it's alright, it's alright. This is a really good way to start the new year. Camaro SS in the front, turboed. We got a Hellcat Charger, Z06. Oh man, I just love gas station pictures. Sorry, of course, I always have to include this part in the vlog. Very great start off to the new year. Oh, did you guys see that Z06 almost eat shit? Cause I thought my lip came off again, but no, it's good. I got it back on there good. I was gonna do a 1314 conversion, but I need to get the 1314 hood, I need to get the bumper, and I need to color match it, which I don't think they'll be able to do because this car is hard to color match. I've seen people do the conversion, but there you go, boy. I've seen people do the conversion, but the paint doesn't really match up. But it looks nice though. What do you think about that Camaro? You think he was trying?
Oh yeah. He wanted like he raced him like 7 times.
I didn't race him. It wasn't me. I wasn't driving.
Yeah. Chris was driving.
I think. Well, that's why he said up to 140, because you know he knows that he can get me on the top end. So there is a really big Mustang cruise, like a Mustang only cruise. I don't know if that's next week or not. And then on Sunday, there's this big like purge meet. Friday, there's another regular meet. I don't know. I feel like there's a lot of shit going on this weekend and next week, but I don't know about during the week. So if I don't upload anything, don't worry about it. Your boy's about to start this new job. And just trying to stack it up for 2018, man. 2018 is stacking the bread, stacking the moolah.
They're gonna.
So if I